You've rubbed all your fur off, Alfie. You've rubbed all your fur off. Doing legs. You funny man. You're a good boy, Alfie, aren't you? You're doing legs over here now. Oh, God. You're a funny boy. You funny man. Doing the legs, doing the legs. Look at you, man. You're a funny boy. You messed your hair up. You're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy doing the legs. Hello and welcome to another video from Garden Care Man. Thank you to Alfie for starting off this video doing the legs. And in this video you'll see a bit of ride-on mowing. This first bit here is actually the driveway at home, which I did at the end of the day. I didn't muck around with that one. I just made it so the car will go down. It's not about beauty up that driveway. But after that you'll see me ride-on mowing on the lawn boss. And then you'll see some pretty detailed weeding. Lots of critters and things getting in amongst those weeds. I notice when you speed it up, you see a lot of bugs and things moving along. After that, yeah, there's a few hidden little things in there, a few cows, a few chickens, all sorts of different things in there. Yeah, generally the video will speak for itself as always. And if you like the video, please hit that like, because that really makes a big difference to the video's popularity and helps the channel grow, and basically encourages me to keep on putting that camera down and filming more. Yeah, so it's been a tough week. It's Friday and I'm very happy to be making this video on the Friday after the last job. Yeah, so that was a couple of little kids who always come over there, and it's amazing it's amazing how many little children actually see me mowing and then think it's like some sort of circus parade. I always wave to them as I go past, but anyway, it seems to cheer them up, so that's a little bit of entertainment there. But that's why I played that, because yeah, they're just yelling out, "I can see you," or something like that. I didn't even know they were at the time because I couldn't hear. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks again for visiting. we go. That's about an hour later. Whippersnipping. Does wonders for the place. Okay, next job on the way. hello. Hello, Charlie. Hello there, Charlie. You're a good boy, aren't you? You come up to say hello. Did you come up to say hello, Charlie? You're a good boy. And there's Buttercup. And there's Ollie. Ollie's sitting down with all these little chickens, is he? What's going on? What's going on, Charlie? Ollie don't care, little chickens there around his foot. He's just little chicken there. Look how they're digging underneath him.